Hello, my name is Vivek Agarwal, and today I'm going to demonstrate how we can use Google's Google App Engine to deploy your application on its platform. So, what Google App Engine is that it's basically a platform as a service. It's a service model of cloud computing, which allows you to deploy your app onto this platform, and it gives you it basically saves you the trouble of having to worry about the execution environment, the operating system, the hardware resources. It handles all of that for you so that you can go ahead and focus simply on your app development. So let's just go ahead and look at what this site looks like. So this is the official site of Google's App Engine. In order to create an account, you can use your Gmail account and give your credit card credentials. Since I've already created an account, as you can see, I will just go ahead and log in into my console. This is what my console looks like, and this is my dashboard. I'll go ahead and create a new project. I'll just name it new project 281, and as soon as I name it, you can see that an ID has been generated. So we'll be needing this ID later on in order to synchronize our IDE with the Google App Engine project. I'll create this particular project, and now we will start developing our app in an IDE. So for this purpose, I have used Eclipse Neon, and in order to use this IDE, I have to go ahead and include this plugin, the Google App Engine plugin, into my IDE. This is what my IDE looks like. I'll just clear this for now. Um, Inside the help, we are going to install new software. This is where we'll be adding this plugin. I'll call it Google App Engine, and this is where we'll be selecting and adding the particular plugin. That's the plugin. So as soon as the plugin is added, you can see that the developer tools, Google plugin for Eclipse, and SDKs come onto the screen. You can select these three and install it. Since I've already installed the Google App Engine plugin, I'm just going to go ahead and assume that the installation is successful. And you can see that once the installation is successful, there is a Google icon on the top left corner using which you can deploy your app to the Google App Engine. So let's go ahead and create um, a new project. So I'll just say it new project 281 package com dot ample dot project, and I won't be needing this, and I'll be using a new project ID which we have already created. As I've said before, this is the project ID which we had created, so we will be needing this so that ID will know where exactly the project needs to be deployed. Click on finish, and over here you can see that a new project 281 has been created. So I'll just go into the properties, and the maximum support I have is Java 1.7, so I have to set the configuration to Java 1.7. That's the maximum support Google App Engine is giving me. So I'll just go ahead and rebuild this project. Inside the source, I'm getting an error because of the Java 1.7 incompatibility with 1.8. So after successful creation of project, you can see that this is what the servlet looks like, and inside this folder we have the index.html file. So it says hello Google App Engine. I'm just going to go ahead and change this to SJSU Spartans courses, and let's just call it available courses. We are going to display the available courses at SJSU. So I'll say click here to know the available courses. Okay, so this is at the front end, and at the back end I'll just display those courses which are available. So we have to use the response.getWriter function in order to display those in order to display a message on the screen at the front end. So I'll just go ahead and write CMPE 281 by Professor Gao and create a few more, maybe CMPE 271 by Professor Sim, CMPE 273 by Shim, and CMPE 202 by Professor Paul. So this is what my backend looks like. Let's go ahead and deploy this now. So in order to deploy it, I can go ahead and use my icon here. I'll say deploy to App Engine. I'll say deploy. Okay. So it is trying to deploy the front end. So here it is. Once the app has been successfully deployed, you can see that it is being displayed. It says HGSU Spartans courses. We have available courses. And once you click on this link, the server does its job and you can see the professors list being displayed. So this basically goes ahead to show that we have successfully created an app and deployed it on Google App Service. That's the basic tutorial. Thanks a lot.